Let's now talk about Uttar Pradesh, one of the states with the highest number of seats, very crucial to determine which party will come to power in the center. Before we get to the 2024 predictions from the India Today Axis My India exit poll, let's talk about previous year's numbers. The BJP in alliance with the ADS won 64 seats. The BSP won 10 seats in alliance with the SP and the Rashtriya Lok Dal in 2019, and the RLD won none. In the 2019 elections, the SP, the BSP and the RLD created a Mahagathbandhan to take on the BJP, catering to Muslims, Yadavs, Dalits and the Jats. Though the BJP's vote share improved from 43% in 2014 to 50% in 2019, its tally declined from 71 seats to 62 seats. The alliance registered a 39% vote share, with the BSP winning 19%, SP winning 18% and the RLD winning 2%. Now, UP is home to two important seats of the Congress as well, Amethi and Raebareli. The grand old party waited until the 11th hour to announce its candidates from these two constituencies. In the previous elections, Rahul Gandhi lost his beloved Amethi seat after holding it for 3 terms from 2004 to 2019 to BJP Smriti Irani. He is now contesting from Raebareli. In Varanasi, a traditional stronghold of the BJP, Prime Minister Narendra Modi seeks his 3rd consecutive term. BJP's Hema Malini is seeking re-election from her bastion, Mathura. Whether Ram Mandir has had an impact on Uttar Pradesh is something one has to wait and watch. The seat that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is contesting from Varanasi went to polls today. So today marked the end of the 7th phase of the mammoth Lok Sabha polls. Let's take a look at what India Today Axis My India exit poll predicts for the state of Uttar Pradesh. For the BJP, it predicts that the party will win 64 to 67 seats, an increase from its 62 seats won in 2019. For the rest of BJP's allies consisting of ADS, RLD and SBSP, the India Today Axis My India predicts that it will win 3 to 5 seats. So the NDA in total is expected to win 67 to 72 seats, an increase of 6 seats compared to the previous time 62 seats that it won. Talking about the India Alliance now, the Congress is expected to win 1 to 3 seats. Its allies SP and TMC are expected to win 7 to 9 seats. So the India Alliance in total is expected to win 8 to 12 seats. The BSP, which broke its alliance from the Samajwadi Party after elections in 2019, is expected to win 0 to 1 seat, a drop of 10 seats. The BSP had on its own in 2019 had won 10 seats. It's now expected to win 0 to 1 seat, and others are expected to win 0 to 1 seat. Uttar Pradesh is a key state determining how the government forms, consisting of 80 seats. The Narendra Modi-Yogi Adityanath combo has been a hit in the state of Uttar Pradesh, and as per India Today Axis My India exit poll, it looks like the duo will leave a mark yet again. I'm Deepthi Rao. You are watching India Today, So South.